Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, hello, good morning, everybody.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All right, so just taking a quick look at financial juice here, making sure
Music
we know what we've
licensing
got going on for the
reimagined.
day. So, doesn't look like we have any big important news anyways. Trump and Japan's prime minister meeting, but that's well after market close. A bunch of Hong Kong exports, German, IFO, business climate, Eurozone money, M3 management, annual growth. So yeah, not seeing a whole lot on the calendar that's going to cause us any turbulence.
Music
So China
licensing
Commerce
reimagined.
Ministry urged the UK to correct wrong practices. Russians Putin meets with North Korean foreign minister. Yeah, so nothing really that impactful here. Good morning to the chat. Hey, what's up, X people? We got 2 people in X right now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Trying to get my electrolyte drink in here, guys. All right, people are starting to file in on the X channels there. Oh, and look who we got. Hello,
Hey,
sir.
hey, hey. Got them electrolytes in you?
Yeah, trying to. I bought these this new flavor, and it's not my favorite. So it's kind of
Sorry
like,
to hear that.
gotta drink it.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I made a pretty nice trade on gold yesterday. Like
Did
last
you
night.
now? Were you long or short?
I was long.
So you did that prior to London?
Yeah,
Didn't
it was
drop
like
off last night?
it was like 11. Yeah, so like I caught the side that was going up before it rolled over. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
And I took out, I think it was about 250 or 260 in all 5 of my Lucid accounts.
Nice.
So made the day pretty good in the end.
That will definitely start your day off right. Now you're playing with house money.
Well, those are, yeah, they're 234 in all 5 accounts there. On gold, lovely gold. Gold's a little bit easier to make some money lately. It
Yeah,
seems like
lately it's been real easy with gold.
it has, hasn't it? There's been pretty strong moves.
Nice pull down now. I think I'm just gonna be a little bit patient as per usual. Wait
Yeah.
for the opening range to set.
Yeah, for sure.
Bookmap ever reset for NQ?
Yes, I have
Alright.
NQ and the proper contract in.
Just pulling it up now, so
Yeah, it's the first thing I checked when I got to the desk this morning. I was like, oh, I wonder what happened with this.
Artlist.io.
all right, perfect. NQ Z5.
Yeah. Yeah, so I made almost 1,500 yesterday between my I made 188
Artlist.io.
in my 2 take profit trader accounts, and then I made those 234 in the 5 Lucids. I did take a small loss. I'm only down $43 in my 250k top 1 futures accounts. So overall, pretty good day yesterday.
Yeah, it's a pretty good. It's a pretty good Sunday.
Yeah, yeah, can't be upset.
Making $1,500 on a Sunday, you can't really bitch about that a whole heck of a lot.
Yeah. Gonna get my VWAP going here. Got my favorite VWAP on my indices. Including gold.
Artlist.io.
I'm pretty heavy right now, gold.
Yeah, gold's looking heavy. Gold's
What do we
always
expect,
heavy.
right? Yeah.
Gold's always heavy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Q's pumping on this first 5-minute candle.
Are you thinking about playing some Q's options?
Maybe, but still have a few minutes left to before I get into anything.
Yeah, for sure.
Artlist.io.
I'm going to at least wait for this 5-minute candle to close. And I just realized I poured myself a cup of coffee and left it sitting on the counter.
Oh, better go get that.
That's just sad.
Music licensing reimagined.
NQ out of the gate, pretty bullish guys here. Pretty high volume. Obviously, first candle, usually going to be high volume. Oh, I never did my midnight open. Shoot, where's the 9:30 candle? 2100 candle. Ooh, we still got room to 2100 candle.
Artlist.io.
2100. What are you looking at?
Zach Arbucci's mechanical model.
What ticker you got pulled up?
I'm just gonna try to quickly pop all like that midnight open price on ES and NQ, and then I'm gonna kind of see which one looks better. It looks like ES kind of almost touched the 2100 opening price level there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see if I can close out the rest of my options today.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, so it looks like NQ might be the better one for that. Although, you know, I think both of them would work, ES and NQ, if we can print off a bullish fair value gap here and then invert it.
Music licensing reimagined.
So NQ, if I see a closure below 812, I could try a short for 10 points. And then also ES, if we get a closure, this one doesn't have as clear. No, it's not really going to work unless we print a bullish one in the next couple candles here and then invert it. So, hey Chuck, good morning, and Jose, good morning.
In order for that to happen, it's got to go through the opening range low.
Yeah.
And let's see what we got from overnight.
Music licensing.
I think he was pretty bullish last night.
Yeah.
Should have been doing this. Wow.
It took a while though. Like, while I was streaming, it kind of like was stuck in that choppy zone for quite a while. Between 24,750 and 24,700. So the range got tighter and tighter, and then eventually popped and started breaking out.
Artlist.io.
Well, I don't know if I'm going to get the opportunity to take that short because it's kind of playing out right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I got to wait for the next candle closure for it to work. And then by that point, it might be completely have already taken all the taken all the move lower.
Oh, we got a large. Oh, no, actually, it's not even large. We got orders down at 775. 725, 700.
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah, wow, lots at 725. Hey, 725 is right in that. So you know, you saw those write-ups that I put in Discord.
No, I have not seen that yet. Oh, there's orders down at 24,750.
Music licensing reimagined.
Some orders at 24,750. Yeah. It was kind of funny because the target I was looking for longs, if we opened up, you know, sort of similar price as we closed, was exactly where we opened up with the gap. So the target I was thinking on the high side was actually where we just like opened up. So I was like, market makers thought ahead of me and just made that happen. But we are above that channel, you know. I've shown you that channel in the past where we've been in that for a few months now, where we've just been climbing, bouncing in that channel. So we just kind of like broke out of that channel. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us going back into the channel today. But considering we're so bullish too, it might just pop up even higher before heading back into the channel.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna get my ASFX stream up here real quick. I was promoting there. I think you were listening when I was promoting there.
Yeah. Yeah, I would have come on with you last night, but I was the environment was not conducive to optimum streaming results. So
Yeah, no doubt. Everyone's running around.
Music
Said the zoo is busy.
reimagined.
fun day, fun day. Oh, so yeah. Be patient on a Monday.
Yeah. So far we've
Artlist
went down and then we went back up.
It was up, it was down, it was up, it was down. It got dizzy, it threw up.
Did that touch midnight open? Not quite. So it never actually inverted any fair value gaps on that pullback. That's why I said you gotta wait for the 5-minute candle to close, or else
Music
it's
licensing reimagined.
it's no good. We just left a big wick down there. It's dead.
Wait for your candle closures, peoples.
Yeah. So we got 10 people on X crossed all our channels, and then we got 5 people on YouTube across all our channels. So you got one on your channel for YouTube. Oh, Top One Futures 50% off the Ignite account, and they're back.
Yippee.
Yeah.
Not getting any more Top One Futures accounts for a while.
Yeah. Hey, Thomas Molina. Hello from Costa Rica.
That would be Tomas.
Tomas. Very nice.
What's up,
That's
Tomas?
the coffee guy?
Artlist.io.
Now,
Okay.
realtor.
Realtor, nice.
Artlist.io.
Ooh. I am so tempted to get into a gold short right now, but I don't feel like breaking my rules either.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it looks pretty heavy, doesn't it? There's a bullish fair value gap right where the price is right now. From
Thanks for letting me know that.
4,040 up to 4,042. So if you can see a closure on this next 5-minute candle below 4,040, that would be interesting.
Artlist.
Interesting. That's one way to put it.
So if we get that closure, you could definitely see a bit of a move lower. Let's get rid of these banners here.
Yeah, I got my level marked at
Music
4039.
licensing reimagined.
So if it breaks through that, I'll probably take a gold short on my personal account.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Let's just hope it doesn't create another wick like the opening wick.
That's why I'm waiting for the candle closure.
Artlist.io.
But yeah, it's currently inverting it. If it gets closure, a couple ticks lower than this. 40.6, I think, is the bottom of that. That fair value gap there. Let's I gotta change this music here. Sorry. Calm breeze sounds pretty good.
Yeah, that's what we need this morning.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, they're all looking pretty bearish right now. What's YM doing? YM's looking mostly the most bearish. I hear Randy on ASFX there. Yeah, he's on there. They got all four of them today.
James and James,
Yeah.
Austin, Randy, and Evan.
Yes. The four goons.
Yeah, right.
Okay, maybe Evan's not a goon. He seems pretty like non-goon.
He's pretty chill.
Yeah.
They're just, hanging out, talking shit,
Yeah.
going over their sports reviews.
Yeah, I'm surprised they're not talking about sports bets right now.
We still got 2 minutes until the opening range is set, so
Yeah.
So why not?
Licensing reimagined.
You have another hockey game last night?
No, I didn't. I was working on some videos, making some content.
For your OnlyFans?
Yeah,
Nice.
make a lot of money on that.
Artlist.io.
It's pulling back up on me now.
Oh, let me take a look at the computer.
If this closes above 40.40, I'm going to be slightly irritated.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to close down there right now. Well, you got the closure.
Let's close below 40.40.
Music licensing.
See what it does for the next few
reimagined.
seconds. And sold.
Sold it.
So I got 5 contracts on in a short on gold. My stop loss up at 40.46. Let's see if
Artlist.io.
I like it.
see if I get beat
with,
up around here.
I went one short also with you there. I like it.
I don't think this is a bad trade.
Not looking for a whole lot here on this trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm looking for all the money on this trade.
I took it already. I'm out.
Did you?
Yeah, I just got
Damn.
that was a quick $50 on that trade.
All right,
So
my stop loss is now at, all right, it took it. So made 4 points on that. All right.
nice, good start. Good little
Artlist.io.
pocket grab. So what do we got here? 45, 46. I entered at 41.3 and I got out at 36.3. So almost 5 points, I guess. Yeah.
Well, you
Bucks.
got to one up me, don't you?
Well, I waited 1 second longer to enter, so then it bounced a little bit before the
Mhm.
entry. But yeah,
Wow, man.
so now I got these 150Ks back to break even.
All right. So they have a trailing drawdown on those, or you?
Music licensing.
Is it,
reimagined.
No,
end of
these
day
ones
or
are
static?
instant funded, 150K for top one features. So,
Oh, so they're funded ones.
yeah.
All right.
But I was down, I think I was down 160 or 140 yesterday. Hey, Trevor, good morning, sir. So yeah, I was down 160 yesterday. So I've taken, what, I think it was about 3 trades after that
Artlist.io.
and recovered most of the loss. Yeah, I was down 120 in the 2 accounts. And then I
So-
made, 3 trades since then to recover it. So
What was your last trade on?
Music
NQ or
licensing
gold?
reimagined.
before that, it was, I made 1 gold trade last night and I made an NQ trade last night.
What was your trade just now?
My trade right now is on gold.
So gold just broke
4,041.
through the bottom of the opening range.
Yeah. Oh, that was a 15 minutes already, eh?
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Artlist.io.
Kind of playing with the bottom of the range right now, yeah.
Just
What is
bouncing around
below?
that?
If we break below this, what is there? Like, it looks like there's quite a bit of room below.
There is room
4,015, maybe even down to
4,000.
4,000.
4,015, 4,008.
So if we start getting some momentum below 4021, there's definitely room down to the 4,000 level, I would say.
Yeah, we get down below 4021 and it's picking up momentum. I'm gonna put a little more size on there.
Yeah, I agree, because it just, it just looks like it wants to fall off there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, there's no reason not to put size on this. Between last night's trade and my 1 trade this morning, I think I'm up like 3,900. So
Nice.
so I'm all right with
Music licensing reimagined.
just taking it slow.
Throw on some risk when it's a A
Yeah.
plus setup.
Yeah, I mean this is basically begging to be taken right now.
Yeah. Yeah, so I just threw a line there at 4020. 4020.7.
Artlist.io.
Getting a little bit of a bounce here.
Artlist.io.
I wonder how Randy feels being back home in his
Music
usual spot. He's got to get
licensing
used to his
reimagined.
computer again and stuff.
I'm sure he's feeling a little bit cold.
Yeah, it's freaking cold lately. I turned my AC off a few days ago, and it's this morning I woke up and I was like, oh, the bedroom's cold. Which, I mean, I like to sleep cold, but it's crazy how much money you can make on gold with just like 1 contract, though, hey? Like,
I
that was
mean-
1 contract, $50 in like 24 seconds.
I was gonna say like a 30-second trade and you're good. So I am in a gold short at 40.3760, 5
Music
contracts.
licensing
I got my
reimagined.
stop down at 40.36.7,
Nice.
and open it again. just because I'm not looking to take a whole lot out of this one with this movement.
Uh-huh. So your stop was in profit already?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I basically can't lose on this trade, so I either make $25 or I close it out when it drops.
Very nice. In ahead, let's see if it's gonna do that move right now. That'd be beautiful.
All right. Well, I made $50.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
These guys, I think, are all flat still on ASFX TV.
I don't know. I can't pay attention to more than one thing at the same time, so you're gonna have to let me know that, buddy.
Sounds good.
All right. Looks like NQ is gonna bounce here too.
Well, let's wait till they see something get out of the range here.
Yeah. It's a range bound, but it's
Creating some nice wicks on the bottom.
Music licensing reimagined.
if I was looking at a long here, I'd be wanting to take profits at like 25,850.
25,850. Yeah. Holding above the VWAP.
IO. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I got another 2 contracts short on gold here.
Nice. It's flirting with the bottom of the range nicely there.
Oh. But I have a
Artlist IO.
real good feeling about this one. And I'm out. $740.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll take that all day, every day.
Actually, I ended up taking a loss on that. I cut it already, so that's all good.
How'd you take a loss on that?
I entered a little bit later than you, and then it basically
Oh,
found
okay.
on the bottom, bounced up there, so I just cut it. So I gave back 40 of the first $50 that I made there.
Gotta be quicker than that, brother.
Yeah,
Artlist IO.
I was just too late on that entry there, and didn't want to like wait for it to bounce here, so that's all good.
Artlist IO.
Now it's trying to go a little bit. I just didn't like the price action the way it was getting a little volatility right down at the bottom there,
Music licensing.
the bottom of the range.
reimagined.
Seems like buyers are trying to hold it.
So we're above VWAP on NQ. We got a decent size opening range.
Artlist.io.
Yeah,
Previous
16
days
bars.
VWAP's down at what, 794?
Yes. Lining up with the bottom of the opening range.
Yep. Just under it.
Music licensing reimagined.
So while we're in the middle of the range here, I'm just gonna chill out and wait for a bit,
Yeah,
if you don't mind.
I don't mind at all.
I think we're gonna make some money today.
Yeah, I think so too.
I have a very good feeling about this lovely gray Monday.
Well, there isn't any news in the way, so typically when we have these Mondays with no news, we end up getting sort of a grinder. We can get a grinder higher, so that'd be nice.
So we got what, FOMC on the 29th? Is that right?
Artlist.io.
I haven't looked ahead that far, but 28, 29, BOC rate decision, EIA, crude inventory, interest rates, FOMC rate statement. Yes, that's at 11 a.m.
Reimagined.
on the 28th.
11 a.m. New York time.
No, it'd be my time. So
We'll be done trading by then, so it doesn't matter. Well, I'll be done trading by then. You'll probably be managing
oh, look at there's NQ's
the micro trade. NQ's pumping up a little bit more.
Artlist.io.
Gonna be patient though here.
Yeah, it's still mid-range, so there's no point in getting in this yet.
ES did break the top of the range there.
ES did?
Yeah.
I'm not even looking at ES right now.
Licensing reimagined.
I haven't even pulled it up on my chart or my book map, so
68.88. It broke a little bit to 68.88.50. Top of the range is 87.75.
So for NQ, we've got a positive CBD. There's orders up at 860, 867,
Artlist.io.
867.50.
We have a small divergence on the NQ CBD. So we made a higher high, but our CBD is lower than the recent
Artlist.io.
pop.
Gotcha.
So that could mean that the sellers are sort of absorbing the buyers there, but it's not drastic. So it doesn't mean too much at this point.
I'm not really concerned with it at this point.
Music licensing reimagined.
Did you see the pop on NVIDIA this morning?
I did not. Nice big move.
It started going up.
Ooh, yeah. Gapped up and then kept moving. I mean, kind of expect the gap up with the way that everything else gapped up. But
Music licensing reimagined.
What was it? Trump's tweet about 100% tariffs on China, which I don't know if anybody believed. But, well, somebody did, because it dropped the price of NVIDIA right around like $5. And then as soon as he backed out of it, price launches back up. I'm just gonna start trading Trump's ridiculous tweets.
Artlist.io.
yeah. You know, I'm not really seeing much on the book above on NQ. Am I missing something here? All I see is a bunch of orders down at 725 and 700.
Are you on the light or the VMD?
Light, yeah.
So we got 39 orders at 875. We got 34 at 880. We have
those are really close ones, right? Yeah, 887, 875. But then if I look anything past that,
yeah, oh yeah, it's dark up there.
Pretty dark.
We got 21 orders down at 850. 20 orders at 841.50.
Mm-hmm. But the
So
most
it's pretty light.
orders
I mean,
are down at 725 and 700-ish, just below 700.
700.
Artlist.io.
And we got 6 orders down at 25,640.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
We got 30 orders down at 25,67.75.
Ooh.
Or 70. Somebody's drinking on a Monday, I think.
Yeah. 25,550, 136 orders.
532. We got 15 orders and down there too.
Yeah, that's wild.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, some coming on the book there at 900.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit of movement right now, so. Hey, look at that.
Artlist.io.
It's a nice little pump.
Yeah, really good. Dow's just ripped there too. 642 to 689, so a good 45 points.
Music licensing reimagined.
30 seconds on this candle here. Finally, yeah, like, so now we're getting some orders filling up above us, right? 78, 87, 900, starting to brighten up a little bit.
A little bit.
Artlist.io.
Little bit. Not like the 725 though. 725 is huge. 196 orders down there.
I got into another gold short at 40.23.
Wow.
This starts going against me. I'm going to cut it fast though.
Yeah, we found support there at the 20 that we were looking for break below.
Yeah, I was looking for that break.
Hey, Dar, good morning.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
I tried a little long scalp there. I only made $9, so.
Music licensing
gold.
reimagined.
You fading me now?
Just the way it was bouncing there, I was only looking for a few points, but
I just added 5 to it at 40.30, so.
Nice. Yeah, I mean, that was that's kind of why I was so aggressive on trying to take profits on that green candle.
And
Now it's turning into a red candle.
going in my favor.
Artlist.io.
We got, come on. Be nice to me now.
Let's go. Break that 20s. quiet.
Music
Dad's
licensing
focusing right now.
reimagined.
All right, I'm out. I'm
Nice.
taking my $2,000 and calling it a day.
Woo! There you go. Beautiful.
Azar.
NQ is great, but the range and the gap has me a little worried. Yeah, I know. And the book map shows a lot of orders below, so you might want to go close that gap at some point.
Artlist.io.
Qualcomm's up on a chip to rival NVIDIA is what they're saying. Interesting.
Yeah, I'm not really worried about it. I've heard that in the news like 6 or 7 times already.
Oh yeah.
China's got a chip that's going to be better than NVIDIA's,
Music licensing
and they're going to produce it at
reimagined.
1/16th the price.
Of course.
Okay, great. Prove it.
Damn, that gold short's moving pretty good there. 6 points below that 40-20.
Artlist.io.
The other 3 indices are just ripping higher right now.
That's one of the reasons why I went into that gold short.
Mm-hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
I mean, this has been a pretty good day. I'm up $5,000 and no stress.
Very nice.
This has been like, what did I take, 3 trades total?
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Sorry, Ralph was up. He's trying to have some water. Look at that. Hey, they held that 40-20. Right as the other 2 indices are starting to pull, all 3 are starting to pull back a little bit.
Yeah. So we look at NQ support levels are at what, like 25,841, 827. VWAP's down at 812.
Artlist.io.
I just wait for a pullback, and unless you want to go start trading within the range, just top a range to bottom.
Music licensing
Think about trying
reimagined.
to
I watch
nudge
Evan do that every once in a while. He'll trade, top of range to mid range or bottom of range up. It's occasionally a little bit nerve wracking.
Yeah.
All right, I need some more coffee. I'll be back.
Sounds good.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm in the short here, guys, on gold. Looking for a couple points just to kind of go back to the low here. Might go against me here though, not risking too much. Maybe it'll be down $60-$80 if I were to take a loss on this trade. So a little bit of negative risk to reward on this trade, but only looking for about 4 points. Starting to bounce against me a bit here.
Artlist.io.
So it might not work out for me, but let's see here.
Music licensing reimagined.
The three indices are pulling back pretty heavy right now, so not really helping my trade with the gold here. Usually when the other indices are going down, gold's going to be going up a bit, so might be not the best timing for this. Although NQ and ES are bouncing a little bit right now.
Anything fun happened while I was gone?
Nothing really. I am short right now in gold again. Here,
Right.
looking for almost 4 points.
After that bounce
Music
off of the
licensing
9?
Mm-hmm.
Reimagined.
Yeah. And we can't seem to get much movement. We've been pretty stuck. We did have a pretty nice candle closure right there. Hopefully we can see a little bit more move to the downside here. I can get about, a couple points into profit. I'll definitely be dropping my stop there.
I think you're in a pretty good position right now with your short.
Artlist.io.
I'm not going to do it because I'm late to the party, but
Just need this guy to print a little bit of red candle for me.
Artlist.io.
need an inverted boner candle.
Yeah.
But Randy's over on ASFX today, so where the hell is
Yeah.
Christine?
I don't know. Hasn't been around lately.
What's going on with her?
I hope she didn't get mad about one of my videos there, because I said I made a video where it said, "Did she call me out?" But it was just like a catchy hook, and she didn't call me out at all. There we go. Nice in the profit. Drop in the stop here. 2 points in. Okay, I'm out 2 points there. So back green anyways on the day in these accounts. So made 30, 40, $50 basically.
Artlist.io.
Should have held it though. Look at that. Broke the low. Damn. Oh well. It hit my stop.
Stick with your plan. Oof.
Music licensing reimagined.
So yeah, should we be taking that top of the range to the bottom of the range or to the middle of the range on NQ or ES?
Hold on, let me pull up.
Looks
NQ
like it's
again.
rolling over right now.
Yeah,
almost-
it just got down to New York VWAP and bounced off it though, so
Yeah,
see if it rejects it again.
we would have had to been in at the top. And with the VWAP being so
Artlist.io.
upwards, I don't think it's a really good idea right now to take a short.
I'm not taking shorts on this. It's
VWAP
above
says
VWAP, it's bounced
buy.
off it, it's been continuously going up. Why would I want to be in a short right now?
Artlist.io.
Well, the only reason is because all those orders below, I would say. But yeah,
Yeah, but those orders can come off at any time.
that's true.
And
I think
looking at
Andy's
it,
in a long and Austin's in a short.
yeah, looking at it too, you got algo orders down at 37.75
37.75.
on NQ. Oh, I'm sorry. Wow, I'm looking at this like a fucking idiot. 838.25, 837.75. There's algo orders down there. There's another algo order at 832.50.
Ooh, those orders on at 25,800 just got bigger. Did it? It looked like it grew on my screen, but I don't know. It's weird.
The only thing I want growing on my screen right now is my P&L.
P&L. Oh, gold, man. Friggin'. Should have held it.
Breaking down again.
Yeah, we're down in the 4,000s now. I'm going to grab coffee.
Good.
Finish the electrolyte.
Anybody in the chat in a trade right now?
So that was definitely the right trade. I just trailed it too aggressively there.
What'd you have your stop loss set at?
Well, I just put it into 2 points into profit once it got into profit. It was around 3 points in profit, so I probably should have waited for a little bit longer. Yeah, that was a nice gold sell, Hazar. Flat all morning so far, says Trevor.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, with the way that the indices are pulling back there, yeah, we were just saying, oh, it's probably not a good idea to short that, hey? But it blew right through there, right through the New York.
Yeah, but you can't make that call until you have the information stuck in your head.
Yeah.
Or in front of your face.
Now the VWAP flattened out.
Yeah, this candle hasn't closed yet, so I'm still not ready to take a short on NQ.
Sort of holding below it. Let's see, are they going to take it again?
Yeah, no, it's above it now.
Yeah, now it's above it. So they might just erase that. It got rejected there off the 9 EMA.
Yeah, I'm still not willing to go short on NQ.
No.
I won't be for
Artlist.io.
at least until a closure below VWAP. Don't mess with VWAP.
Well, that last 5-minute candle closure did close below it, but not by a very substantial amount. Like, it was a big bearish bar, but we only closed below it by 41 to 34 by about 6 points, 6.5
Where's
points.
your where do you have your support levels for gold?
Music licensing.
Support
They're
level
right
for
around
gold?
4,000.
The only one that I had on there was was at the 4,000 level. When I look back, I was at 4,020. Let me go to a higher time frame here. Uh, 3,975, 3,960 to 75.
Artlist.io.
So we have a little bit of room still. You know, if we get a nice closure below the 4,000s.
Music licensing reimagined.
NQs just scares me right now. Middle of the range, pretty volatile too. Like it just can't really, it looks like it's trying to go lower, but it just keeps bouncing little bits at a time. So it's a little scary.
Wait for it. We're gonna have to wait for it to pick a direction.
Because they're battling it out right now.
Artlist.io.
Gold is definitely a lot more cleaner, hey? Look at that. I mean, there's some bounces there, but we've been pretty much putting in 5 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute bearish candles in a row.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yes, sort of held the start of day view up there. NQ's still printing a pretty bullish or bearish bar there. Sorry, it's on the 15 though.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's also bearish on the, a little bit bearish on the 5.
Music licensing reimagined.
58. So we got 5 minutes on the initial balance here. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Austin's looking at gym equipment for his basement, I guess. Like which rack setup should I get for deadlifts and squats?
Been hanging out with Tanner too much.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Both got a little bounce here.
On the gold or?
Yeah, it just bounced a little bit. It's not
Is gold or ES and NQ looking? It's starting to look a little bit bearish. Finally, been holding under the New York VWAP for a little bit, but not that convincing.
Reimagined.
And we did form a bearish fair value gap slightly above there between 844 to 848. So if we can get a nice closure above the 50 level, 850 on a 5 minute candle, could definitely think about trying to get a few points towards the long side.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So looking like we got
Reimagined.
16 people in the X channels and 8 people in the YouTube channels.
Really?
Yeah. So I put a new little mindset tip today. Thanks for posting something in there the other day. I like it. Don't chase profits. If the chart is telling you that the time has come to exit, it's time to exit. If you're trying to get a specific amount of profit out of a trade, you'll more often than not end up red. Learn to be happy with a little green and let the small wins add up. You'll be surprised how quickly it adds up if you're patient. Very nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
But it's true.
Totally true. And then today I said, discipline isn't built on motivation. It's built on repetition. You won't feel like showing up every day. You won't feel like following the plan after a red day, but that's what separates the tourists from the traders. Stick to your rules, manage your risks like a pro, and log the trades, win or lose.
Artlist.io.
So Rebecca joined the Discord channel. I'm wondering
Yeah,
if
I sent her a link to it last night.
Oh, nice. So I wasn't sure if that was the actual Rebecca or not, because
Yeah, no, not an imposter.
I feel so honored. Her profile says, "This is the real and only Rebecca, Tradeify TV host."
Music licensing reimagined.
She's been trading from Italy.
She's trading from Italy right now?
Yeah, she went to her husband's family's, so they're staying out there now.
Very nice. That sounds amazing. I love Italy. 10 seconds to some news. What do we got? I love the little squawk box, always telling me what's coming up here. 7:30. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index, I guess.
Short everything.
Initial balance is set there,
Okay.
guys. NQ is a no-go for me. Either we
Music licensing
sweep near the
reimagined.
lows. I'm willing to scalp along until we break day low for shorts. Gotcha. Back out of the top of the range. That was a pretty bullish candle there, hey, on NQ.
Wow.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
I'm almost thinking about taking a long actually on NQ right now.
Really? All right.
Yeah.
Not mad about that.
Music licensing
Been
reimagined.
another gold short on my personal account, so
Good luck there. You're in a bearish fair value gap right now. That's good.
below VWAP just bounced down off the 9 EMA. And it's going in my favor.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, nice little fall there.
And I'm out.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
We just formed so many of those wicks down at the low of gold right there. you know, at that 4,000 level. That's pretty going to be a key level. If we can get a nice strong closure below it, we could definitely target the, you know, 80 to 85 level.
I gotta sit on my hands for a little while here.
Yeah, so far the other indices are just not looking good at all. Like pretty much stuck. Seems like.
NQ sitting up at the top of the range.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that long would have worked a little bit because I was looking at it at 65 there. Would have been up 10 points right now.
If I was in an NQ long, I'd be looking to take profits right about here.
Yeah, I would have for sure. I shouldn't have looked away at the gold there for a minute.
Music
excuse me.
reimagined.
But it looks like we should have room up to like 890. But yeah,
on this, on this 15-minute chart, there's no way I'm selling anything.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at those wicks on the bottom of those candles, eh? On the 15. Yeah, that looks really nice.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, those are some ridiculously long wicks.
Pretty volatile though. It doesn't look like one of those all-day grinders higher, right? Maybe if we end up breaking out of this area and then start printing smaller candles, that would you know, make me think that we could kind of continue grinding higher like that.
Let's see what happens in the news first.
I wonder that was supposed to be out by now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Wall Street scales new highs on U.S.-China trade optimism.
Where do you see that?
The TradingView news.
Okay.
Artlist.io.
Gold's looking at the 4,000 now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach Garage was giving away one of the new top 1 futures accounts. Ignite account.
Artlist.io.
At 75 likes. Man, I wish I could get 75 likes.
We'll get there eventually.
Yeah. I think I might have like
Artlist.io.
0 or 1 likes today. You gotta start getting some giveaways, but need some affiliate sales for them to be giving me free accounts to give away. Well, we're flirting with that 4,000 right now in gold here.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
We got a low of 39,970.20.
NQ is looking pretty strong. ES is starting to just try to break out of the top of the range. What about the Dow? I haven't looked at the Dow in a minute here. Well, the Dow's just been doing a whole lot of not. Sold off, broke up to the high. Now it's back in the middle of the range. So
got a new low on gold.
Yeah, we do. Beautiful there. Yeah. See how this candle closes here. We got a minute 50 left on this 5.
Artlist.io.
Oh, it's hard to not pull the trigger there. But I don't think it's the right time.
Control yourself.
Gold. It's like, looks like I should get in.
Artlist.io.
We got a minute and 10 seconds on that candle, so anything can still happen.
Remember to control yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we do need to start making t-shirts here.
Yeah.
I think Christine's I'm a girl and not the good kind.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
That
We could definitely make some money on
hilarious.
swag. Just need to get to 500 likes. Then you can start selling swag on YouTube.
All right, perfect.
Or subscribers, sorry, not likes.
Artlist.io.
8 seconds on the closure here. On that gold candle.
Music licensing
See what they're going to
reimagined.
do with this next candle.
This is actually kind of humorous. I feel like I haven't done anything today, but I'm green on all of my accounts. Like,
That's a good problem.
yeah. It's been a very low stress day. Which is how I like them.
Of course.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
NQ's looking strong again, still going higher. I was thinking about taking that long and targeting that 890 level. Back when we were close to the top of the range.
Music licensing reimagined.
And gold found that support at the 4,000, so good thing we didn't take a short down there.
Yep.
I mean, it might just have to take another attempt to push lower.
I have a feeling it will.
Hey, there's Zach, reporting for duty, straight from Thailand.
What's up, Ak?
Artlist.io.
I haven't seen Zach. I haven't seen
Zach.
Zach, and he hasn't been on for a couple days, anyways. Probably. I asked him in Discord if he got abducted by a bunch of hot Asians because he's in Thailand.
Music licensing reimagined.
You get abducted by a bunch of ladyboys.
I didn't say that part, but that's funny.
Just saying. I mean, I'm not judging. It's not my
I
job.
guess each their own, I guess.
Whatever trips your trigger.
So gold bounce in here. We're just getting into this bearish fair value gap, though. That Project X AWS bullshit tilted you. Yeah, dude. It was frustrating. I ended up losing a trade that I was in when that all happened. And then I tried to get them to
Artlist.io.
reverse it, and they said no, because I was in the trade before the outage. I'm like, okay, thanks.
So you were in the trade before the outage.
Yeah.
You couldn't manage it
Music
during the
licensing
outage.
reimagined.
And what prop firm was this?
No comment.
Mm-hmm. I'll stick with my trading view accounts.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I lost 2 times 780 days on 5 accounts. Ooh.
Oh, that's painful.
Yeah, that's frustrating.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, there's the
Yeah.
Twitch asshole.
This one's a little bit different. But you started a new pest account and passed it in 15 minutes. Nice. And made 700 on the funded. Locked out. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Good deal.
Oh, hey, there's always a bright side, right?
And that's a pretty bright side. I like it.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Artlist.io.
I'm a degen. I need the lockout
Artlist.io.
feature. Yeah, lockout feature is awesome. When you need to protect those gains, while you're sound of mind, click that lockout button before it changes.
Yeah, I like that feature on Project X, but I can't
Music
stand Project X.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah,
Most
it would be nice if
irritating
they gave the option to trade it on TradingView. Hey,
Oh yeah, I would.
once they get
That would
Trade of
make me
Eight
happy.
going, so they're working on getting Trade of 8 for top 1. And once that's in place, then you should be able to access your Trade of 8 through TradingView.
Well, I do everything through Traders Post on the prop
Artlist.io.
accounts.
Yeah. Ooh, I almost missed Black Storm here for the entry.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Long gold at 4,011 is what Zach said.
All right.
Artlist.io.
I'm about to long NQ at 888. 878, sorry.
878.
Music licensing.
Gotta wait for this candle
reimagined.
closure to see what it's gonna do, but
Yeah. We have a bullish fair value gap down at 870.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm not really sure about gold. We've been just kind of going sideways, consolidating this area, so I'm not really that interested to go long or short where we are right now.
Not yet.
I'd like to see us either break up or break down. So hopefully,
Music
since
licensing
Zach's in along there, or you're long on gold. So would be nice to see us at least bounce up back up to that 4,020 level. If we can see that happen, that would be nice for a move higher too. If we can get a closure above the 4,020 level that we were watching earlier.
Oh, and Zach's going short at 875. All right.
On the gold or on
NQ.
NQ, yeah.
Acceptable.
Yeah. I would be careful once we get down to top of the range.
IO.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. Don't listen to me. I'm paper trading baked. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, I was wondering. I thought you said you logged out your accounts and then you're in 2 other trades. I was like, oh, geez. But it's good. I think you're in the right direction on both indices, right?
Maybe the reefer's helping your trading.
Yeah, you're zoned right in. Took NQ sell at the top 885. Feel like a little FOMO. We will see. That's what Zar said. 885. I mean, you're looking pretty nice right now, Zar.
I don't know. I'm seeing this coming back up.
Yeah, it's definitely been bouncing here off the 9 EMA. On the 5-minute there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Tight stop 892. Yeah, basically if that candle reverses on you, you'll be out.
Artlist IO.
Huh. Not loving the price action so far, but
Artlist IO.
when gold turns, she goes. When gold goes higher, you mean NQ is going to go lower? I feel like you're hedged on the right directions on both of those indices, though.
Music
Like if
licensing
we're
reimagined.
pulling down on NQ, gold's probably going to be popping. So MNQ is going to dump. %.
Yeah, it is starting to look like NQ is going to take a shit on us.
Artlist IO.
What the hell was that?
That's like the Price is Right, you're wrong thing. It's one of my little sound bites. We got our laughing audience, we got the applause, we got a drum roll, and we got a boo.
I feel like I'm on an episode of I Love Lucy.
Yeah.
Start calling you
People-
Ricky Retardo.
People aren't gonna know what you're referencing in there. The younger groups, anyways.
Well, you know.
We're back at the top of the range there. Probably might be a good time to take some profits there on NQ. Just as I said that, it bounced all the way to 70, 9-point bounce.
reimagined.
Sounds like there's going to be a duck race here pretty quick.
Duck race.
Yeah. Yes, a death race.
Death race. The hell?
So I made some new thumbnails for the stream, hey? Where it's like an actual picture of me on there now.
Artlist.io.
I like the cartoon.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if people dislike it or not, or like what they think about that, right? So
Artlist.io.
I really need to start giving a shit about my YouTube and Twitter accounts.
a couple more posts. I like the one where you're walking and talking. That one's a good one. For a quick, easy way to like make some posts, right? Kind of like do a quick walk and talk recap.
Walking on the beach in the rain after losing 28 grand on a stream with you.
Right after the stream where you made 160,000.
Well, I mean, they can't all be losers, right?
Can all be winners.
Can't all be winners, can't all be losers.
Yeah.
Nobody gives a shit when you actually do well.
Yeah. They like to see the losses though.
I mean, 28 grand loss was not
My dad says I like the cartoon face. Okay, getting a little bit of feedback here. Sent you the link on Discord.
Music licensing.
Yeah, I got to find out who you're using to make those cartoons, like what AI
Oh, just
illustration
ChatGPT.
thing.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Great. Nobody wants to see my ugly mug on anything.
Oh, nice, Zach. Up 700 on that, hey? Here's if you can see this is where Zach's short on the, I think he said it's his paper account, but up 760 currently on that short.
Nice.
Very nice. Looking good.
Good deal.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach. 160k, holy cow, I love the levels to this game.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there are definitely levels.
Yeah. Yeah, so when you get 40 or 80 accounts copy trading at once, I mean, not to mention that those were really good trades. I mean, you're making, 800 or 1,000 on those trades, right? Those days. So those are killer trades.
Yeah, there was
it across so many accounts.
the one day I think I made 4,200 per account on 40 accounts.
Yeah.
So that was a stellar day.
Beautiful trades. Beautiful day. Yeah, you're going pretty heavy on some of those trades there. I remember you're like, yeah, I'm going minis. Adding.
As long as you have the drawdown, and occasionally I forget that you need the drawdown for that for prop accounts, but
yeah,
I'm still learning. Trying to anyway.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, for sure. But you're definitely been doing killer. So there's a quick look at my month to the chat there, guys. Looking pretty good. Up 6.4k on the month right now. Sunday ended up being really nice, 1,500 in my account. Pretty much green. I have only 2 red days through the month.
Music licensing reimagined.
Seems to be my motto lately. Lots of green. Just the red days are just too big. need to reduce those red days.
Are you is your risk management in order?
Yeah, I think so. I just on those days, so like I was on such a good green tear, I sized up on that day. Ended up taking 2 losers, about $600 each in my five Lucid accounts. So that accounted for basically the $6,000 losing day. And then the other day was when I made the mistake of going on the ES rather than MES, and hit max daily loss in my 2 funded accounts. So
yeah, I'm gonna pull up my TradeZilla and see what my month has been.
pretty much since I took those big losses in my 150K account, so I've pretty much recovered most of the losses from the weeks from that. So getting them back, they're still in a little bit of drawdown, but getting them back anyways.
Artlist.io.
Well, shit, I've had a really good month.
Artlist.io.
October was good to me.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Czar said not looking forward to trading from next week onwards with the end of daylight savings. Does that affect the market there, Czar? I'm not really sure
Reimagined.
what you're referring to.
Probably sleep time.
Oh, this is gonna mess. Yeah, it's gonna mess up your wake up and sleeping time, eh? That makes sense. Where do you live, Czar?
Artlist.io.
I didn't win the duck race, by the way.
Maybe next time.
Music licensing reimagined.
Did the ASFX? Yeah, ASFX stream has ended there.
Oh, I'm sure. It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's about time for me to go and do something other than sit on this computer, too. Volume's about to dry up.
Artlist.io.
All right. P&L check.
Artlist.io.
Green Day. Happy.
Yeah. I did just take a little short here in my take profit trader accounts. Going to be pretty aggressive on take profits here if it does go into profit a little bit.
Music licensing
Kind of going a little
reimagined.
bit in my favor already. Kind of breaking out down below the lows here. Not looking for too much on it.
Artlist.io.
If we start breaking up back above the that recent low, probably just going to cut it pretty quick though.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach Boyajian took a 0 trade day.
If it doesn't feel good, don't touch it.
Yeah.
I just took a NQ long
Nice.
that lasted a grand total of 7 seconds.
Artlist.io.
Closed NQ just now for a small
Artlist
25-point
IO.
scalp. You're from Cape Town, South Africa. Nice.
Oh, you should introduce yourself to James Bruce. He's South Africa's #1 trader.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, isn't it?
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, looking like this gold trade might be going against me here.
No, not that.
Artlist IO.
Just got to hold below that 4,000 level. But kind of bounced, forming a pretty big wick on the bottom side there. 1 minute left in this candle.
Reimagined.
$25-point scalp.
That's a nice scalp.
I was gonna say that's doesn't seem very small or quick.
Artlist IO.
On NQ, 25 points can happen pretty quick.
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Artlist IO.
Come on, gold. Would just like to see the bottom of that wick reclaimed.
Artlist IO.
Going to be pretty aggressive on taking profits here if we do get in a little bit here. Just TPT, just slow grind on these guys, trying to get it to that 2100, get rid of that intraday trailing drawdown situation. Currently up about 1400
Music
in these accounts.
licensing reimagined.
Just took an NQ long scalp on my personal account.
Oh, nice.
Got 4 points out of that. On 2 minis.
Ooh.
Artlist IO.
You know what? It is 11:06 in New York.
You gonna call it? I mean, you had a
I'm
good
done
day.
for the- I'm green for the day. I just looked at my TradeZilla month. I'm not gonna do any more trading today.
Fair enough.
So
Music licensing reimagined.
yeah,
Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it.
thank you. You still in a trade right now?
Yeah, I'm still short on this gold here. Almost closed it a few seconds ago. Looking for it to push a little bit lower here for me. There we go. Took it there. All right. So made about $100 in the in each account. So $200 there. So I'm happy with that. So my day just got better.
That's a good
Especially,
day.
I'm loving these Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. Like I said, slow grind. I'm at 1,500 now on these accounts. So that's only 600 away from that, getting rid of that intraday drawdown. A couple more good trades.
That is the goal.
Yeah, and then I can be a little more flexible. You know, I don't have to be so rigid on taking profits right away when it's, you know, moving in my direction. Although, I mean, it's working, so why stop? But just could, crazy. You know, I missing out on a bunch of profits there. It could be getting right.
It is nuts that my trades on my personal account are so much better than on my prop accounts.
Well, your size you're going bigger size too, right?
Well, and I don't have to think about the rules. I have to think about the trade. And that is what makes a big difference. If I can get the take profit trader accounts up to the point where I don't have to worry about the trailing drawdown and all that stuff, then it's great. But it's just making myself do it.
Right? Yeah. What time do we got here? 8:09. I'll probably stick around till 8:30. See if we can't get another trade here. I haven't taken any trades in my 50K instant funded account, so maybe look to take that. My 250Ks they're up $10 in each one.
All right. That's $10 you didn't have this morning, though, right?
Yeah, and it was actually negative from last night, right? I was down 43 last night, so
perfect. So you're doing great.
Yeah. Awesome Sunday, followed by a small Monday, so I'm okay with that.
Small green is better than red.
Yes. And there's always later. I don't know, I always seem to find these trades. I've been having a lot of success actually trading in the evening. Like around, 8 p.m., 10 p.m. I always seem to find pretty clean trend at those times. Should look at my stats and start seeing when I've been winning the most.
Do you think you do better with lower volume sessions?
Yeah, I think so. They take longer to get into profit, but I'm kind of okay with that because it's moving slow, right? It's these like I struggle a bit with the New York Open time, right? Because you got to be so quick to take profits and stuff, and it can just reverse on you like in a moment. So it's nice to kind of like not have to worry about that part.
Not having to worry about a 35-point candle on ES.
Yeah, when Trump decides that he's gonna put 100% tariff on China, and then it just recovers instantly after.
Yeah,
sounds like what's been happening lately. So
yep, it's bitten me in the ass a couple of times. But you got to remember, I mean, if he starts boofing Adderall and starts tweeting in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I'm surprised that he does tweet so late sometimes. Like some of the stuff that he puts out, I'm like, how is this guy awake? Like,
telling you.
I don't know. He's quite the machine. I got to give him that.
Yeah. The Adderall helps.
Yeah. What are you still doing here? I thought you were going. You're looking at your charts.
Just keeping you some company and looking at a chart. That's about it.
Thanks. I was like, just don't FOMO into something and then break your your thought process there.
I'm just making sure you don't do something stupid.
I was just making sure you aren't doing anything stupid.
And I appreciate that. I really do. I start doing stupid shit, you are more than welcome to call me out on it. Ooh, I'm gonna go long on NQ right now.
Right now, yeah. I see that. I'm with you. No.
Yeah, at the top of the range.
Right at the top of the range. Let's buy the very top. pretty bullish though. Hey. So I wonder when we're gonna get the sell-off though. Maybe after hours today. We're gonna head.
Who knows? Who knows?
Gold's kind of getting to that area where I was saying it's gonna find some support potentially between 957 and 981. There's a previous sort of like consolidation point where it was like resistance, then it became support, and then it like fell back into it again one more time, and then it made the move to the all-time highs off of that level. So that was kind of a key level, I would say. Obviously, I'd be waiting for some reactions down there. I'm not going to just blindly jump in, but
wait for the chart to tell you what to do.
Yeah. YM's trading down at the bottom of the range right now.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I've been thinking more and more about getting into using Traders Post here in the not too distant future.
Use code Mustang.
For sure. Okay. Sounds good.
You get a 20% discount on it.
Yeah.
And when you get on, if you do decide to do that, when you get on that call with Mike, Mike he's a good guy to get to know.
Yeah.
All of his background is actually in finance.
Ooh, nice.
And yeah, he's just a good guy. There's no.
So after you sign up, he gives you a call?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy. That's
if
good
you,
service.
Like anytime that I've had any issues like with setting stuff up, because I'm not really good with the technical stuff. I sent an email and he just ended up doing a video chat with me. Nice. Showed me how to set stuff up. I pulled up my screen for him. He was going through showing me the different JSON messages, the webhooks, stuff like that, how to set it up, the different types of strategies. I was on a call with him for like an hour and a half figuring this shit out because I'm stupid. No, I fully admit it. When it comes to anything like that, I am not good at it. So you would be fine with it. You probably wouldn't even need to get on that call.
Well, I wouldn't say that, but yeah.
No, I'm really bad with any technical stuff on a computer.
Gotcha.
But then after I was on Price Action Live with those guys, like just going back and forth with him and Tom.
Yeah.
They're good guys. There's not a lot of that bullshit that you see on YouTube and Twitter. It's like, oh, my way is the right way, and I do this so well, and blah, 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 blah. It's a lot more of, this works for me. It may work for you, it may not. Here's how you automate it. Here's how you copy it.
So you can actually set up automation in there too, hey?
Yeah.
That's
my next project. I'm actually working on I've been doing backtesting on automation for a while.
With that quant?
Yeah.
Nice.
But I need to figure out how to actually get it into TradingView and set up the alerts for it, so that way it executes the orders based on my parameters.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
And like I said,
can you set like a stop break even kind of thing, where if it gets to like 4 points in your favor, you can put your stop to break even?
Oh, all right.
No, I'm wondering if they can do that.
Yes. You can set up for any trade that you take, you can have it set for take profit, a stop loss, and you can change them for every account you're copying. It's not just one size fits all.
Yeah.
So say you have a 50K account and a 300K account. You can size up between the two, and then your take profit and stop loss you can do in ticks, points, or monetary value.
Nice. Okay.
But they don't have to be the same either. You can take a 20 point, you can have a 10 point stop loss on one and a 40 point stop loss on the other, or a trailing stop loss on one.
Oh, that's awesome.
So it doesn't need to be the same across all the accounts, which I really do like, because I mean, I'm not going to do the same stuff on my personal accounts that I am on prop accounts. That's ridiculous.
Yeah. I heard Randy talking about that too, where he's like sets his order size bigger on his evals versus his like funded accounts. So he'll be like 1 micro on the funded account and like 5 micros on the eval kind of idea. So yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, Randy has gotten really good at sizing appropriately. I'm really good at it with my personal accounts. Any funded account or live account or personal account is like, I'm great with it. Prop firm accounts, not so much.
Artlist.io.
Keith posted a couple profit lockouts on his what is it, top step?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Top Step X. So he was in 100K trading combine yesterday. He took a gold trade and he made 412 on that one.
Nice.
And then he also took another gold trade in a different account in 150K combine, and he made 350 on that one. And both of them, he locked them out. So
Reimagined.
he posted that in the Discord channel.
Having that ability does, or can make a really big difference.
Yeah. Stop you from giving that stuff back, right? Lock in those profits.
Yep. How much money do you want to give back to the market?
That was last Friday. You know, I was up 800, I think it was. And then I was like, I took one more trade at the end of the day and ended up losing 140 in my 2 take profit or TPT accounts. Yeah. So I ended up still a green day, but ended up giving back a little bit at the end when I should have
been happy with what you had.
Yeah, exactly.
Reimagined.
So after I took that loss, I'm like, okay, yeah, now I'm really done. Like, no more. Can't be turning this into a red day, right?
Yeah.
But like, for the book, you know, the best loser wins. He actually suggests that you trade more and are a little more aggressive when you're, you know, when you're winning, when you're trading and you're doing good, right? So part of me is like saying, well, I should probably try to take more trades because I've been reading the market really well. The trades have been going in my favor, right? So, and that's kind of the idea behind why I still took another trade. But then once I took that loss, I was like, okay, well, that's it now, right?
And that makes sense too, because your market conditions change from, you know, month to month, week to week, even day to day, and hour to hour.
Yeah.
So if you're reading it really well on any given day, great, size up, get a little more aggressive.
Yeah. Take another trade, sort of like, don't overtrade, don't go crazy, but yeah.
I took 164 trades today.
Really?
No, God no.
Oh, it looks like Nina wants to come on. Okay. Let me send you the link here.
Artlist.io.
Here we go. Invite guest, copy the link. Sorry, Nina, if I missed a message there in the stream gang from you. Yes, I did.
Music licensing reimagined.
need to give her your cell numbers, as you can just call you.
Christine said, Steve, can you invite me to the new Discord? I think I had already sent it to her chat directly. Let's see if she's in there now. Oh yeah, she's in. Nice. Or no, this is Stream Gang.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, she's here. I gotta update her, give her coach status.
Artlist.io.
I'm curious to see how her options trades are going.
I like her profile picture here. Do you see this? She's wearing a little cowboy hat. That looks pretty cool.
Hold on 1 second.
Oh, did I share that to Nina? Sorry, I got distracted, Nina.
Music licensing.
I think I
Good lord,
deleted
man. Get your shit together.
What am I doing here? Sorry. Stream Gang. Yeah, I linked it. Sorry, Nina, it's in the Stream Gang if you get it there. I'll send it directly to Nina also here. In case she doesn't see it there.
Artlist.io.
I will be back in un momento.
Music licensing reimagined.
No problem. I did send you the link there, Nina, in Stream Gang and directly to your chat if you're looking to come on. Sorry for the delay. But usually you can use the links.
Artlist.io.
The past links usually work also, so you don't need a new one every day.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I don't see her yet. So just checking out the viewers here, guys. We got 4 in my X, 4 in Nick's X, 15 in Randy's X, 4 in my YouTube, and 2 in Randy's YouTube. So thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We love you. We love you guys hanging out, driving the streams,
Artlist.io.
especially the X people. Always so many people on X.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Where'd you go, Nina?
Artlist.io.
Well, we're grinding higher on the NQ right now, guys. Let's take a look. I haven't looked at gold here for a few minutes. Found a little bit of support. We're back at the 4,000 level. Back at the 4,000 level.
Music licensing reimagined.
NQ's grinding higher. ES sort of at the top of the range, looking like it wants to also break out a bit. What about the YM? How are we looking on the YM? YM's printed a big bullish candle. We're right at the New York VWAP on YM. There's Nina.
What's up?
Hey, good morning. Let me get rid of this banner. It's blocking out.
Good morning.
Vote. There we go.
How are you doing, Dave?
I'm doing very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was
How about
class
me?
today?
Stressful as usual.
Music licensing reimagined.
Did you take any trades yet?
Yeah, I took a few trades on gold this morning. Did I trade anything else? I think I took a trade on NQ. One? Did I take one?
You took one trade on NQ.
Yeah, I took one trade on NQ.
So I'm coming to the church right now, but it seems like unless we break 680.92, that's when I'll be looking for trades for buys.
You're looking at the ES, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yes, yeah. Still
Music
looks
licensing
choppy
reimagined.
for me.
Yeah, 689Q is kind of those recent highs, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. I like it. Yeah. If we can get a nice closure up there, it could definitely see some momentum to the upside.
So that's how I view it.
Artlist.io.
Nick, how is it going?
It's going all right. I've had a pretty good day today, so I will not complain.
Artlist.io.
His pretty good day is actually a really good day for the rest of us.
It's shut up, Dave.
$5,000 today. What is it? 6,000 today?
I don't know exactly, but hold on. I'll tell you in a second.
Music
But it's a good day.
licensing reimagined.
Nick is always on good days.
Yeah, he is.
No, I've had a couple of really bad days.
So,
$6,570.12.
There you go. 6,500. That's somebody's monthly salary almost. No, not quite, but
yeah,
could be actually.
it could be.
Artlist.io.
Because 6,500 US is actually like almost
what, 3 million
9,000
Canadian, right?
yeah, like
If
$10,000
I do
a
that
month.
2 days in a row, I can buy Windsor.
It's like 9 million.
Music
9 millions,
licensing
my side.
reimagined.
Really?
Yeah. Really, like 0.5% of people earn that amount. Yeah. It's a
Wow.
lot.
So yeah, it's 30,000 colones. No, 300,000 colones.
Is that Costa Rican money?
Yeah.
Right.
Artlist.io.
See if we can't get that move up to 92 here on the ES.
Are you on?
Good.
Are you on MNQ?
Yeah, right now I have MNQ open. but I can. I'll go back to the ES here. ES definitely looks pretty choppy though, hey?
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of in this range.
At first, I thought to break 68.77. We failed. Looking like he wants to go to 68.92. Let's
Yeah.
see.
Artlist.io.
I can't believe that
Oh,
NQ
Nick is now
so-
a coach in the Discord, and then Nick is complaining. He's supposed to be a coach.
So Nick was complaining. You said?
Yeah,
What
I was
about
saying about being a coach in the Discord.
Reimagined.
Oh yeah. You don't want to be a coach.
Nah, I wasn't really complaining. I just, I don't think I'm qualified to be a coach for anybody. I've only been
We already
trading.
talked about that though. If somebody's looking for a nice, clean, easy way to take profits quickly,
Mhm.
moving the stop
Yeah.
into, you know, and if they're looking for good quotes, then
Dad
Is
jokes.
there-
And,
IO.
Is the overqualification a word? I think
Yeah.
you can use it, Nick. Overqualification.
yeah, you're overqualified.
Artlist.io.
I like the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid.
Yeah. Nick, when
Really
you get a
makes
chance,
sense.
though, go into the prop firm area and put your traders post discount code.
Oh, okay. We'll do.
It's just kind of like a
Music
little discount code area. So
reimagined.
anyone who has discount codes, I'm hoping they're just gonna post them in the prop firm. Actually, I'm gonna edit the name of that and just add prop firms and discount codes.
But sure, Dev, you did a great job. That Discord is like professionally arranged.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it looks good. I like it.
I'm hoping there's not too many channels though. It's a lot to keep up on.
No, they're not.
And then I set up some voice rooms so if people start liking chatting with each other and whatnot, they could always go into a voice room and use that for trading.
Music licensing
really good.
reimagined.
So we're almost getting to that 92 level there.
Yeah. Let's see if we break it or if we're just praying in a range.
Mm.
Artlist.io.
Let's change up this music here. Slippery.
Why?
Gonna make me nod off here.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I can always put on Wakey Wakey. It's your favorite.
No, please don't. No, that'll work.
Artlist.io.
Turn this into a dance party.
This can be real.
Good times, good times.
Christine is not hopping on.
Reimagined.
I don't think so. She'll probably be on tomorrow though.
Oh,
She's usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
oh.
But I think she was dealing with some one of her kids had earache or something last week, so I think that was kind of keeping her busy with the kids, so she didn't hop on.
Artlist.io.
She's still gonna be in Mexico for a little while too, isn't she?
I think so. I think she's staying longer than Randy, right? I think she was doing a couple
Right.
months.
Who still praise the other story of the cockroach and stuff? The other story of Christine, bruh.
Music licensing Reimagined.
No, thank you. That is one bug that I don't like. I'll deal with the scorpions here, the bullet ants, the venomous snakes. I don't deal with fucking cockroaches.
Just their name. Just the name is just
Blech.
yeah. Just associated with
Artlist
grossness,
IO.
right?
I mean, what is it? 90% of their diet is poop.
Ugh, so gross.
You can't mention that.
Artlist IO.
Rivaling dung beetles.
I'll deal with the dung beetle.
How many trades did you take here?
Reimagined.
5 or 6.
Okay. That's a road already.
Looks like ES trying to go right now.
Looks like NQ's trying to go too.
Yeah, they both have a nice bullish fair value gap, sort of holding them up right up there.
Artlist IO.
You know what? I'm putting in an NQ long right now.
Oh, Nick, you bad guy.
Yeah, I'm breaking my rules. But this is...
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it looks pretty good though.
Nick is that guy.
If it goes against me, I'll cut it short quick. But
Yeah. But it does look pretty good, for sure.
Artlist IO.
Let's see. Guide titles.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah,
No,
we
we
got
need to
5
land-
new. Sorry, go ahead.
no, after you.
I was just saying we got 5 new people in Discord yesterday's stream.
That's cool.
Let's go NQ. Holding that 900 right now.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there you go. Nice little pop.
So
Artlist IO.
yes.
You're in ES.
Right.
Okay. Let's go Bulls.
All right, I brought my stop loss up into
Some
up into profit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see how we close in.
They got 3 minutes on this 5-minute candle here.
Artlist IO.
Okay.
And
Music licensing.
I took my 50 bucks.
there you go. I was a second early. That's why I said and. 'Cause I'm like, I was waiting for you to say, and I'm out.
Still in, but it's having troubles breaking 6892. That took
If
a
it gets
small
above
loss.
that if it gets above that 900 level, you're golden.
Artlist.io.
Oh, she's on the ES
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm on ES.
892 level.
Yeah.
I
Trying
haven't
to
done
see if
anything
we
with
break
EOS
it
today.
or not.
Artlist.io.
No new information just yet saying that it's not going to happen.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see. Check news. So Nick, with that quick execution, how is your risk to reward look like? Like how do you manage?
It depends. If it is moving in a trend above VWAP and it's if all the EMAs are lined up appropriately for a long,
Music
I'll usually
licensing
start off with a
reimagined.
10-point stop loss and then no take profit. As it goes up in my favor, I will I'll exit the trade manually.
Okay.
Or drag your stop into profit, right?
Or drag my stop into profit if I think it's going to continue up.
Mm-hmm.
I keep my stops pretty tight.
Artlist.io.
I think the way that I think about it, either I'm going to make a little bit of
Is
money.
it the same like the other style Randy was trying of 3 points stop? Is it the same thing?
I will do that when I'm scalping.
Oh, okay.
If I'm scalping something, it has to be in a really strong trend though. And I'll use a 3-point stop and just trail it up.
Okay.
Yeah. So that
But
is
those
kind of
trades-
what you mentioned before.
Yeah, those trades don't last more than 30 seconds.
Yeah. Well, we all know how fast 3 points can go away, especially on NQ, right?
Mhm.
So
Artlist.io.
It's definitely not for everybody.
100%.
what's your size on this trade, Nina?
Like one micro?
Artlist.io.
1 micro, nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to have a whole lot of risk if it does go against you here.
Yeah.
You
gave it
trading
a wide-
on
I gave it a wide stop loss soon because this
Music licensing
6892
reimagined.
price tried to break it multiple times, but it failed. And I mark it as a strong level that could lead to the price continuation to the downside. That's why I keep my risk as super small as possible.
Mhm. Well, we do have a nice bearish or a bullish fair value gap below it. We're kind of just approaching the top of it. The top of is 89, so we just dipped into it a little bit right there. The fair value gap is from 887 to 889, so you got a 2-point bullish fair value gap there. So if this candle is going to find support, it'll be around this 887 or 888, 70 or 50, 75 or 50 area. I heard that door close at your place, Nick.
that wasn't me.
Oh, was it?
No, it
Okay.
was me. It was
Okay,
me.
gotcha. It just sounded like, remember the other day you had the door closed and I was like, what was that noise? And you're like, oh, it was the door closed. I thought that was yours again.
Hey, at least I don't have a monkey in my bathroom this time.
Love it when I have monkeys in the bathroom.
Music licensing.
Does it happen sometimes?
It happened once.
Oh, okay.
Last place I was staying, it had the bathrooms were open to the outside, and there's a 5.5 foot tall wall going around the shower. So when I opened the door to the bathroom, there was a capuchin monkey just chilling out in the bathroom.
Did it like turn and hiss at you or what?
No, it just looked at me and then ran out.
Okay.
Artlist.io.
I just picture it being like, you know, when you open the door, it's like. But I
Yeah,
guess
I
they're
think
pretty
they're-
used to people, right? So
They're all pretty used to people.
Artlist.io.
how are we looking on the YM here? Still in the middle of the range.
I don't know. I don't look at YM.
Never look at YM.
Music licensing reimagined.
I just like to keep an eye on it. Sometimes it ends up being sort of like the leader of the pack.
Yeah, the problem for me is I can never tell when it's going to be the leader of that pack, so no.
Yeah,
Not
it is
good for
pretty
me.
hard to read, sure. And it
I
does
have
move
enough.
pretty fast.
I have enough trouble reading one chart. I don't need 12 of them up.
Yeah. Well, we got 15 seconds on this candle. We're still holding that on the ES. We're still holding that bullish fair value gap and the 9 EMA there. See
See,
if they can bounce it up a bit more here.
Music licensing.
but still this can
reimagined.
go either way. Because we're on Monday.
Yeah. Low volume Monday.
Yeah. This can go either way.
Should be able to find support here at the top of the range, though.
Let's see.
YM is bouncing off of the 200 EMA, which is
Never use EMAs.
good thing. Yeah, I use the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA, and the 200 EMA.
That would be too much for me.
Yeah.
Use the 200. I use the 65.
Yeah, you had said you're
65?
using the 65.
What's the
Use a
logic
9.
behind the 65?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Like, why a 65?
Artlist.io.
So 9, 21, 65, and 200 are all key levels.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are
And
kind of like
strangely
most
enough,
common
your
ones.
65 a lot of the time will coincide or be just above the VWAP.
Okay, interesting.
If you throw 65 up there, a lot of the time it's lined right up with VWAP, or it's just above it or below it if it's bearish.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, Dev, are you getting this music on Spotify or what?
No, this is from Artlist.io.
What's that?
It's just like it's kind of like a it just has a whole bunch of free music and
Oh.
sound bites and all that kind of stuff. And
Artlist.io.
if you use a free account, then that's why it says Artlist.io occasionally in the song. So
Okay.
eventually, I'll probably gonna subscribe for it. But for now, I'm just using the free version. So it's got like the watermarks in the song where it says, Artlist.io, whatever.
Oh,
So,
okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
but yeah, that's where I picked up, my like sound effects and everything too, like the the applause and the heartbeat. And then our Price is Right. And my favorite, the air horn.
So,
Something ain't right about you, Dave.
Artlist
Well, if it ain't
IO.
right, it's wrong. I don't know if that made sense.
I mean, that,
It makes-
okay, that's a fact.
So we're still holding the top of the range there.
Music
In that bullish fair
licensing
value.
reimagined.
We've got 1 minute and 20 seconds on this 5-minute candle here.
Nina, are you trading prop accounts?
yeah.
Which firm?
I trade funding next and top one futures currently.
Nice.
Artlist IO. Artlist IO.
Let's see how this goes. Been in a drawdown for
10 minutes almost.
21 minutes.
Music licensing
Oh yeah, 'cause it
reimagined.
was that first 5, 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Nick added a little more to the padding on that NQ trade.
The $50.
Artlist
Yeah.
IO.
How many accounts was that in, Nick? That NQ trade?
That was in 2 cash accounts.
Okay. Oh, 2 cash accounts.
Yeah, I haven't been trading my prop accounts today at all. This is all personal capital.
Nice.
Music licensing
The
reimagined.
6,000 is made on personal capital.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So
good.
it's pure money. Pure money in the pocket.
Nick is gonna take us out and pay the bills.
Starting to get a bounce here on the ES.
Yeah.
They do have a small bearish fair value gap just above the top of this last 5-minute candle. So hopefully you can get a closure above 68.90, which would invert that bearish fair value gap, which would definitely be a strong sign that we're going to head a little higher.
Yeah, let's see how it goes. So Nick, how long does it take you to set up your prop account, the copiers and everything?
Initially, it took me, well, my first set of accounts, when I started copying heavily, it took me about 4 days before
4 days?
I got everything exactly how I wanted it. And then when I started using Traders Post, it took me a while.
Artlist IO.
Because I had to learn how to write the JSON messages and all that stuff and get on a call with the Mike from Traders Post. And then that one took me, after I learned how to do it, took me 2 days to get them all in.
Nice.
So can you trade of it and project it
Music
at the same time?
licensing
No, I absolutely not.
So
You
that
can't.
means
You have to use TrendSpider or TradingView if you're trading if you're copying with Traders Post. And I wouldn't trade on Top Step X anyway.
But yeah,
So that
you
means
can trade them. You just gotta hook it up to your trading view, right?
Yeah.
you
You
can
have to
trade
it
them.
on.
They are incorporated in Project X, but you can trade them. And a copy using TradingView, possible?
Yes, because you're sending a JSON message, it goes to Traders Post, and Traders Post sends that
Music
directly to
licensing
Project X.
reimagined.
So they actually have a list. Let's see if I can pull it up here.
With the short period amount you use to execute your trades, is that time you send a JSON message and you execute, no slippage or such things?
I have never had more than a 3-tick difference in my Traders Post accounts,
Artlist
and that was, I think, one time I had a 3-tick difference. So
So it's
You
very
need
fast.
to be real quick. You need to be
it's
real.
extremely fast. It's actually it is the
Music
fastest
licensing reimagined.
trade copier I've ever used. There are a couple other ones out there that I will not name that
Replicanto?
claim to be, great for copy trading, and I've had 2-point differences in executions across multiple prop firms,
That's
and
crazy.
it just not good.
Artlist
Yeah.
IO.
The one that I will tell everyone to steer clear of is Trade Sinker.
I know that one.
Okay. Yeah.
I wouldn't use that if someone paid me,
Artlist IO.
because I'm gonna lose more money using it than they're gonna be willing to pay me.
I see a lot of influencers placing it as if it's good. Right?
Yeah, it's not.
Music licensing reimagined.
Working your way back up to your entry price there, Nina, on the ES.
What?
I said you're working your way back up to your price there on ES.
Yeah, but still it's
68.90.
not looking good. It's not looking good.
It's gonna take it right now, I think. Randy's summoning a candle for you right now.
Is Randy in buys?
Is he what, sorry?
Artlist IO.
You say Randy is in buys?
No. I said he's gonna summon a candle for you.
Oh, okay.
A bullish candle. The Randy B candle.
Okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
But when T come back to 688, I think I'm going to cut it. I'll still not want to be in that.
Well, it looks like you're gonna get a breakout higher here.
Let's see if it breaks. Looks like
Artlist IO.
I'm out.
Oh, so you're a short?
So no, don't.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. So you took profits.
yeah. I took profits.
Nice. Okay. I thought you were long, but
Music licensing reimagined.
It almost smacked my stop loss in a way.
I'm just uploading my trades here to TradeZilla. See how my
Artlist
Monday's
IO.
looking.
Artlist
296.
IO.
Not bad. Could be worse.
Yeah, but what's your month looking like?
Month is looking really good.
That's what really matters.
6,700 on the month.
Oh, double
and
mine.
Licensing
and
reimagined.
and I took 5, 6, 7, almost 8,000 lost on the month. So in 2 days.
Where you took an $8,000 loss in 2 days?
Yeah, I took 50.
8,000.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
lost 5.
I've seen Dev when it's a red day, it just hits him. One
Yeah,
hit.
it's big
Yeah.
red day. Yeah.
Artlist
Yeah, so I
IO.
lost 5,300 on October 7th, Tuesday. And then I made that mistake on the Sunday of the 19th and I lost 2,500 that day. So the rest of the days are all slow winners.
Can I share
Yeah.
my screen and you see that
Music
thread? How I
licensing
Yes, for sure.
reimagined.
Yeah. Pop it up there.
like sharing the screen?
We can do a little recap on the trade and everything for sure.
So it's telling me sharing screen with 2 monitors. Like, let me just which one? Okay. Can you see it?
Yes. There we go. I'll
Artlist
just
IO.
remove mine and add yours right now. There we go.
Yeah, this is it. This is how I took it. It was more safe if we already block this this level. But
Music
the fact
licensing
that
reimagined.
I pulled back before blocking it, it gave me confidence. After this I called changing the state of delivery.
Uh-huh.
It gave me confidence that the pullback might not be enough. The orders might not yet be in it, so we might be breaking this level. So logically, with my framework, my take profit is supposed to be after we
Artlist
break the level. But
Uh-huh.
most of the time, I aim for a little bit more because we break the level and we continue moving to the upside without this pullback that caused
Artlist
uh,
IO.
a bit amount of time in drawdown. So most of the time it breaks and it continues to the upside, and then I go on 15 seconds and trade, take whatever possible because I'm on simple, and the drawdown is
Music licensing
trailing.
reimagined.
Yeah,
How
those
do we
trailing
do
go down. Yeah.
yeah.
Nice. So yeah,
So
you got to
that's-
be aggressive for sure.
Yeah, you're gonna be aggressive. My month is it's a bit more good than last month, than September, because September is like I did not trade. I had a lot of personal issues going on.
Artlist
I
IO.
was coming on, stressed out, just bullshitting. So I'm glad I managed to have a slow negative. If I traded all these days with some school issues and personal issues, this could have been
Music
way
licensing reimagined.
larger. So
Yeah.
my August wasn't the best one,
Still
but
green. Still green.
yeah, still green. But July I really nailed it.
Ooh, nice.
It's my big month so far.
Yeah, you got to trade mostly all the days there too.
Artlist
Yeah.
IO.
But things were easy for me, the schedules and everything. I was really on track. August, school started getting more serious, but with this, I managed to get some 2 payouts from Funding Next.
Music
Yeah,
nice.
licensing reimagined.
That looks
And,
like really.
What?
I said that looks like really good risk management is what that looks like. Your previous month, your red days were a quarter the size of your green days. That
what?
is,
He's just
Yeah.
saying your red days are small and your green days are bigger.
Yeah. Because
Yeah,
of the
that's-
stuff of trailing, I've said like when
Artlist
when
IO.
I'm usually long, I detect it a bit hurry, if I can say, because I can see it. Like when I entered more than one contract here,
Artlist.io.
and we broke this week here with a body closure, I would like take 90% off. Or if I'll always get some reason to exit my trades, wrong trades early.
Music licensing.
But my usual risk
reimagined.
toward is 0.5, 0.6. But you know, I exit losses way faster and way more. And trade this 15 seconds to rate the runners run. Yeah, but
Nice.
RR here it shows 1.61, which is not true because it's not true. It's the true one because my trades are 0.5, 0.7, that range.
Mm-hmm.
But the fact of trading,
Profit factor is really good there. 2.45.
yeah, 2.45.
Yeah. I wouldn't be complaining about this at
No, your
all.
stats look really nice.
You got a profit factor of 2.5. Your day percentage is over 50%, and your average win to loss is 1.6.
Yeah.
If you keep that up and just keep stacking those wins like that, you have no issues.
You know what's crazy
Coaching.
is like I think this is the worst performance, like this the worst performance that I have now, because when you go to my data, because
Artlist.io.
like I wasn't fortunate enough to get a mentor who would like show me the way and stuff. So
Yeah,
I was
6 years of trade data back tested.
yeah
Wow.
posting here and here, you know, trying to get to the true edge.
Music licensing.
So I do believe
reimagined.
in backtesting because that's where I profited, gained the confidence, all of that. So
Mhm.
when you look at my 6 years data, my performance can be really high, over like approximately 1,800 trades taken, like when I do all session. And it's the same thing I was practicing.
Artlist.io.
1,799 trades taken. 81% of them were winners,
Nice.
and the day win percentage was really high.
Artlist.io.
So I think what separates this, this data from my actual result it's psychology, the confidence and everything. But
Yeah,
when
psychology, right?
when I get a little bit older, if I
Music
think
licensing.
gain more
reimagined.
experience, or that I think I should be able to, to perform and do better towards this start. Because when I backtest, like I can go month, like that's the mechanical version. I can go month past month without with like 2 red days. You see the consistency here in the backtesting, but
Nice.
there's no emotion attached or something.
Artlist.io.
I could have, like do it flawlessly, which I aim to do in the live market as well.
Nice.
So, like these two in the backtesting, I really nailed it. And I have some good months. I can have some good months, but all I need is to look deeper and see those tiny differences, those tiny behaviors that make this difference between the data and the actual result. And also, I think it's because I don't have enough. Like here, I have 171 trades. Hoping to see 200, 300, and really I need to improve on my execution and make everything flawlessly, like how Nick does it. Like Nick operates like the nigga is Lobo for real. I've never had like Nick tilted or something, but me sometimes I tilt for real. I tilt and mess up. That's why I say this is the worst performance I can have due to what I'm aiming. But I'm grateful because 2 years ago, I wasn't like, I couldn't even pay a journaling tool. I couldn't even pay that. But, you know,
Yeah.
grateful for the journey. Ready to give it like 6 years. When I'm with you guys who are
Music
bit like
licensing reimagined.
who are older than me, I'd be like, this is a thing to give a shot. This is a thing to try 20 years, 10 years. And I'm still young to fail a lot as I can, so that, you know, get it to a great point one day.
Very nice.
Now, I don't know if Dave's going to agree with me on this because he's a little bit more technically in tune than I am. But
Artlist.io.
your technicals always should come first. You look at your levels, your ranges, market movement, price action, learn to read the tape. Now, after that, it becomes discretionary. 50% of all my trades, or 50% of every one of my trades is discretion. If you're looking at a market and you're seeing stuff going in your direction and you get that bad feeling like this is not going to work out,
Yeah.
stay out of it. Because that stuff
Music
does
licensing
end up,
reimagined.
you just end up learning how to read that chart better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after you do it for months on end, you start noticing, and you won't even pick up on what it is that you're seeing, but there'll be something there telling you,
Yeah.
nah, I don't want to be in this.
Mhm.
And that just comes with staring at a chart for 10,000 hours.
100%.
And it
Yeah, a
is
lot of my trades are
10,000
discretionary.
hours.
Even like the experiences, the age as well, like those some intuition that comes into this. You cannot really teach it to a person or what, but the more you on the charts, the more you start to realize, even if this is my setup, I don't feel like taking
Music
it.
licensing
And
reimagined.
you don't take it and you end up not working. And you're like, but how did I manage to know that this is not worth taking risk on? You can't really know, but your intuition really knows.
Yeah. That's that discretionary side, right?
Yeah.
You know how many times I've taken perfect setups and lost? Hundreds of times. It's like, oh, that's a perfect setup. I'm in. And then I just watch my P&L collapse like a flan in a cupboard.
Yeah. But you know, when I do that and I'm on a losing streak, I always go back to what works, to that perfect setup, and I take it mechanically with the intuition and the discretionary part behind, and then, you know, go to what have been working from the start. Because sometimes I go, I can go hot and a winning streak, and then the ego thing
Music
kicks in,
licensing reimagined.
and I start to trust myself completely. Like, do not trust the brand as well. And you know, the market teaches me the lesson, and then I come back to what works.
Yeah. That makes sense also.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a good head on your shoulders.
Yeah.
5 years of doing this, and you'll be
Artlist.io.
teaching me how to do it.
No, I'll be like you.
So when did you start trading, Nick?
10 months ago.
Like you didn't
Great.
trade at all before that?
I'm sorry, what?
Like you didn't trade at all
Music
before that?
licensing
Oh no, I
reimagined.
traded futures. I started trading
Oh.
10 months ago.
Okay.
You
But, like,
traded
your
something before futures?
I'm
Say
sorry,
that again?
Nina, what was that?
Like you traded something else before diving into futures?
Yeah, stocks and options.
Oh, okay.
And how long have you been trading stocks and options then?
Long time.
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Short term
I think-
or long term? Were you like swing trading or scalping kind of things?
Artlist.io.
Swing trading for the most part. My options tended to be a longer time frame. I would trade 1 week options occasionally, depending on price action and the volatility of the stock. And then I would trade 30, 60, and 90 day puts and spreads.
Nice.
Like right now, I mean, this week or last week, I ended up closing out 350 options contracts. I still got 200 in here that I'm trying to close out this week.
I have no idea
And-
about options.
It's
Artlist.io.
they can be a royal pain in the ass. But you have to, if you can do it without being greedy. Like I've heard a lot of people say, oh, if you trade options, you will lose all your money. You're gonna blow up your account. And okay, great. It's because people trade options like pigs. They expect to get rich quickly. Instead of taking like a 1% return on investment over a week is good by any standard. But that's not enough for people. It's like when you watch people trading futures on prop firms. You're gonna take a job where it pays you, say, $200 a day, $300 a day. All right, but you won't take $500 in a single trade after 45 seconds because it's not enough for you.
Because you need to make 800, right?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. If
Ridiculous.
you take your profits when you're when it's appropriate and stop worrying about the number,
Music licensing.
you
reimagined.
end up a lot more profitable.
And you saying you can't be a coach, man. Look at this guy. He's just coaching us right now.
Yeah. That's why I was
mean-
saying that he's overqualified.
This
Yeah.
isn't coaching. This is common sense, man. I mean, say you put, okay, oh shit, my account information's up here. I was gonna say I'll just show you my screen, but it's got all my account numbers and stuff on it.
Yeah.
So like for this account,
Trying to share the screen?
no, this has got my account numbers on it.
Oh, okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
So for an overview on this account, over the past 6 months, my return is a little bit over 10%.
Nice.
That's
So-
nice.
That's the
Very
amount of cash that I put into the account, and then my P&L for 6 months is a little bit over 10%. That doesn't
great.
seem like a whole lot of money when you oh, it was only 10%. But where else are you going to get a 10% return on investment
No way, no way. In 6
in
months?
6 months?
Yeah, in 6 months. Like you're lucky to get like 7-8% in a year if you're like, if you buy at a decent time in like say you're to buy some SPY and hold it for a year,
Yeah,
average return
it's-
is going to be maximum 8%, right?
Yeah.
So
Do you
So
guys have these things of buying bonds and stuff?
So the way the market's been recently, I prefer to be in this account in an all cash position at the end of every day.
What does that
I
mean?
don't-
Artlist.io.
So at the end of the day, all of my positions are closed out. Any stocks, options, futures contracts, everything is closed out and done at the end of the day, and it's all cash in this account.
Oh, okay.
And I set this account up specifically to do that because of just the ridiculous market volatility right now. I don't want to have to be worried that at 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm sleeping, somebody's going to be taking a shit and making a tweet that's going to cause the market to crash.
Oh, she's wearing a soccer jersey.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Sweet.
Is football like is football a thing at your side?
Oh yeah.
I
Artlist.io.
thought
We call it
in
soccer.
America, you do not know about football or something.
It
I
has
thought
gotten,
football, rugby, NFL, all those kinds of things.
Detroit's actually got a really good soccer team. Football.
Music
Detroit City
licensing
football.
reimagined.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a popular thing to my side, so
Yeah.
big fan of
And-
European football.
Hmm.
Where I'm at now, it's the thing. Your town doesn't have voting rights unless it has a soccer field.
Interesting.
What?
That's cool.
True story.
That's crazy.
Artlist.io.
And
That's
I heard that next year's World Cup is taking place in United States.
Ooh.
Yeah, we'll see about that. I have a feeling that
It won't
a lot of
happen.
people want to come.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
All the tariff people are gonna not want to come.
The issue is that you guys are not giving out visas. How are people going to come?
Yeah, that is a bit of a challenge
Yeah.
A little bit.
with the lockdown on the immigration
You're
stuff.
pretty much afraid that when people come into your country, they're not going to go back to their places.
Yeah, they're gonna end up in Venezuela or some shit.
That's true. That's true.
Artlist.io.
Like we do have some, like when there are some national competitions that are going to take place in the United States, you hear like a team, like you have a national team, you went to play, let's say like rugby in the United States, and the most of team members escaped during like nights in the hotel. They escape and they do not, like they're escaping the games, and then they are finding ways of staying in the United States or Canada, all those kind of things. So when we send a team of people to those countries, we're like, maybe a half of them will come back. Or
Really?
maybe
Wow.
less.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Canada's pretty easy to just not leave if you don't want to, especially with our current government.
I've seen that your Canada is having some aim of having number of millions of immigrants
Music
in
licensing
in
reimagined.
2014. They really want a big number, so
Yeah, and it doesn't, like, from a Canadian's point of view, it just doesn't make sense to be immigrating more
yeah.
people because we
I
already
understand.
have a
It doesn't make sense.
housing
You
for
see
it.
what's happening in UK due to
Yeah,
immigration, and I do feel like Canadian, you having a competition with immigrants that never happened before.
Artlist.io.
That's immigration destroys society for real. But
yeah, I agree.
you need, as an African who wants access to better education, better healthcare, why not?
Mhm, mhm.
Well, you're not getting better
Artlist.io.
healthcare in the U.S. I can tell you that much right now.
You sure?
Oh yeah, I mean, good lord. Have you seen the privatized healthcare bullshit that we got here? It
don't
is
know.
it's
Music
horrific.
licensing reimagined.
And half the people here can't even afford healthcare. But we're gonna send $40 billion to what, Argentina, and spend another 350 million on a ballroom for the fucking queen. So
So
just
I
saying.
except what I've seen in the movies, like I see in the movies that people cannot afford healthcare in the United States, and I'm like, like movies, most of them play like real life, if I can say. Some of them have narrative, and you see the comments, and I'm like, United States, you told us that you're the greatest country in the world, the first one in
Music
the world.
licensing
How come?
reimagined.
Yeah, 42nd in math, 74th in literacy. Yeah, fucking great. We're doing great, real well.
But I don't know, but the one who shaped this narrative of United States is the first country in the world. That's fucking genius, for real. And this thing of American dream, it's really
Artlist.io.
dope.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
they definitely positioned themselves to be in the power position. Obviously, like the fact that the U.S. dollar is kind of the gold
The
standard
global-
across the world, right? And the
Artlist.io.
well,
World
that
Bank,
was the
everything.
whole thing after World War II. The U.S. dollar started to make its way into becoming the standard for currency, and then during the Nixon administration, some other fun shit ended up going on with that. And yeah, so
Music licensing
unfortunately,
reimagined.
people in this country, and actually I think people everywhere, don't understand history. And if it is a bad time right now to be an American who has studied a lot of history and is also very, very good at pattern recognition, it's a real bad time to be that person right now.
I've seen some presentation of Professor Jiang. He's a Chinese professor who was saying the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was saying the same thing, and showing some patterns. I'm not that intelligent to catch everything he was saying, but I could see, I could understand
Music
that,
licensing
that's what
reimagined.
he's trying to mean.
Yeah,
And I've heard
Canada's in a
that
tough situation.
gold isn't still a thing, a gold standard. You guys are printing money out of thin air.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
The only thing that gives money value now is the world's
Artlist.io.
faith in that currency.
hmm
But these same boomers talk about, oh, Bitcoin, it's fake money. It's not real.
Well, what is
Okay.
fiat money? It's
Yeah,
also not real,
exactly.
right?
It's not real. If you can just print money all willy-nilly, what is the actual inherent value?
Yeah,
It's,
and you can't
it's based on
print Bitcoin. So
it's based on faith, and I have no faith in anything. So
yeah,
So what
well,
do you
history
think
shows
of
that
Bitcoin?
99% of all fiat currencies fail. Too.
What
So,
do you think of Bitcoin then, Nick?
I think that it is as valuable as people want it to be.
That's a logical answer.
It's that's it. If you take the general population, and if the price is only going to be, or the value is only going to be what people are willing to pay for it,
Yeah.
just like anything else. It's not backed by anything. It's just like the US dollar, except it's not paper. So people, like I said, boomers, it's funny money. Drug dealers use it.
yeah. I always hear that.
I heard this from a fucking moron one day. Excuse me, sorry.
all good.
But people say the dumbest shit. You know, drug dealers, they use Bitcoin. That's what drugs, they like Bitcoin. You know what else drug dealers like? Cash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I think they like it even more than Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Bundles and bundles of cash.
Pablo Escobar.
Yeah, exactly.
Holes dug and money buried all
He
across.
was literally, when his daughter had the flu, to keep her warm, he was burning stacks of money when he was in hiding with his daughter. Just stacks
you got to be rich.
of money.
Music licensing.
He didn't have anything else to burn to keep his daughter warm.
Well, I was thinking about taking a short on gold there, and I held off, and good thing I did.
Yeah, I'm glad you
Yeah,
did.
you tried gold as well?
I've been trading gold lately. Started trading it more so lately.
Okay.
Artlist.io.
Been liking the price action. Been pretty clean. But yeah, I saw it breaking below 4,000 there, and I was like, maybe. But I held off, and yeah, and then now it's back above 4,000. So
Yeah, I'd be waiting on that for a little bit, unless you're planning on just micro scalping it.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll still have 2 longs on ES, but you know, this volume isn't the best convincing. The target 6894.
Artlist.io.
68.94.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's that recent high, yeah.
Mhm.
But the volume
Artlist.io.
and the candle formation was not the best one I want.
Yeah, we're kind of getting into that slower time for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, we're deep in that slower time right now.
Yeah. Yeah, Nina,
Yeah.
we were actually talking about logging off before you came on. So
Yeah, I
thanks
can
for
see.
coming on.
It's been 3 hours.
3 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah.
You guys did.
Nick was like, "Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here and go." And then he's like, "Oh, I'll hang out with you for a bit."
And then you came on, Nina, and I was like, now I can't go because I get to
Hanging
see
out.
you like once in a blue moon.
Come on.
You never
Right.
show up when I'm on here. You and Christine, what do you guys have against me?
But it's really nice to hang out with you guys.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Always
really
welcome.
Music
learn from you.
licensing reimagined.
Even when I'm still in class, when I cannot attend the live stream, I just make sure my Bluetooth are on, and then I can watch the stream on my phone because the conversation are good. Market reading is on point. Like, this is a cool place to be. Yeah, for real.
I'm glad
Plus,
you like
Nick, when he's saying like, act like an adult, you're trying to make money.
Yeah.
That's saying like, when I'm tilting, trying to force all those things, and he says that, I'm like, yo, I'm back on point. Or when he's saying like,
I'm glad
Or
I'm a
when-
helpful.
or when he says like, when I'm going to do dumb shit, I imagine like, this is what Evan could have done. Like, I attend the live stream of Evan. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Is it
Yeah.
Evan? I don't know.
Evan.
Yeah, but the guy is really patient, too focused. And when I'm about to do dumb shit, I always remember, no, he wouldn't be doing this. What the fuck am I even doing?
Yeah, Evan
Yep.
wouldn't do that, so don't do it.
Yeah, Evan wouldn't do that. And I come back on
Yeah.
point straight away.
And it's funny because Evan's my coach,
Artlist.io.
so
He's really a good guy.
I've spent a lot of time going, what would Evan do?
Mhm.
Yeah, no.
It really makes sense. When you see his trading, you're like,
Yeah.
I'm aiming for that. It's really good. Too
Yeah.
focused. Yeah.
The guy
Music
is
licensing
very good at
reimagined.
his job. And he's just the thing that impresses me even more than his skill is his patience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just wow.
You
So,
cannot
I've
get
seen-
that overnight.
Takes practice for sure.
Yeah.
So I'm just taking a look here at Zar put a link in the Discord here for his trades on NQ today.
Artlist.io.
Looking pretty good. Looks like he took a couple trades. One from sort of a little bit earlier in the session, nice long out to the break to the high of the range there, and then he look at that, took a nice two scalp short, failed the IB, so the IB failure, initial balance
What's
failure,
IB?
and then
So balance?
initial balance.
Okay.
So the first hour, and then looks like he took a trade 3 long off of the IB high, looking for the squeeze. So nice trades. Three
Yeah, those are
trades.
beautiful.
Like 7 hour.
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, this is remember in the chat he said he missed the long,
oh, okay,
earlier.
Okay.
and that's what this is what he was talking about, this pullback
Yep.
to, you know,
Oh.
to the IB. Well, I guess that's not IB low, but that's key level anyways, to the VWAP and whatnot. So
I can't recall what level that was.
looks like it's kind of off the VWAP there, the start of day VWAP anyways.
Artlist.io.
So I think you should get the coaches and everything on point in the Discord. We start to see some lectures of Nick, some lectures of you. You know.
Music
Have a good
licensing
time.
reimagined.
Yeah.
We shall see.
Well, what time do we got here? 9:40. Should we wrap it up?
Yeah,
Like,
12:40 in Chicago, so it's time
Yeah.
for us to turn this
Close up
down.
shop.
Unless you want to come back for the kill zone with Zach.
Artlist.io.
What's the kill zone? That's a power hour?
I think Zach is doing his Killzone podcast, or not podcast, but live stream today.
Oh, nice.
If you're trading in the afternoon,
Artlist.io.
hold on, let me just look and see.
Zach Anthony.
Zach Anthony.
Let's see if
That
he's got his
is really a good scalper.
Music
Oh no, he's
licensing
not doing it until
reimagined.
Tuesday, tomorrow.
So I'm
You
not
can
I'm
do
not
that.
trading I'm not trading the PM course. This supply section is not convincing. I think I'm just chilling. Yeah, I'm going to study, I think.
That sounds good.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think that's probably a good choice. That's making a good decision.
Yeah.
But yeah, Zach is on tomorrow at 1:00 for his Killzone live stream
Nice.
on ASFX TV. So
Oh, so it's on ASFX. Gotcha.
yeah,
And
set a
Christine,
reminder.
What a busy guy.
when do Thomas hop on this live stream? I've never.
I haven't
Come
seen
on.
Thomas much in about 2 weeks or so, since
Oh.
before the conference.
Oh, okay.
Then he switched to trading his personal cash account, and we haven't seen him around since. So, but again, he's usually on like Tuesday or Thursday with Christine also. So
Oh,
maybe
okay.
tomorrow, maybe Thursday.
Okay.
You should try to hop on one of those days because you can definitely,
Artlist.io.
get on with Randy and everybody too. Because that's when Randy's on. If he's not, if Austin doesn't ask him to come on ASFX.
So I think Friday.
Friday?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Friday. Friday. Yeah, Friday.
Cool.
But depends. Depends.
Hmm. Okay,
Like,
guys. Well, sorry. Go ahead.
Because of school
Music
schedule,
licensing
I can't
reimagined.
really know. But Friday,
Mhm.
most of the days we do not have long classes. So thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Nina.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure as always.
Yeah, nice trade there too.
Mine for real.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thanks everybody. Just say what's up to the viewers. We got 24 in Randy's X, 4 in Nick's X, 4 in my X, 3 in my YouTube, and 1 in Randy's YouTube. So thanks everybody for
Oh,
tuning in.
are we on 3 YouTubes?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
live on 3 YouTubes and 3 X channels.
Yeah, we're because we all stream together, it goes to all of our
Music licensing reimagined.
X channels and YouTube.
Nick got YouTube too.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mustang Trader.
You didn't tell me that good story. That was good news for it.
Yeah,
So,
sweet. All right,
You
guys.
can find us on any of them.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, guys. I'll see
Okay.
y'all tomorrow.
Sounds
Yeah,
good. Have a
see
good
ya.
day. Have a
Thanks
good night.
again, Dave and Nina.
Artlist.io.
Ciao.
See you guys.
Out.
Talk to you later.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace out.